Class, our today's new topic is LCM, lowest common multiple. So class, we have two methods by which we can get LCM. So first method is prime factorization method. So as you all know what is prime factorization method, in this method we are doing the factorization of those particular numbers. This is your question 28, 42 and 80. Find the LCM of these three numbers. So class, in prime factorization method, first we factorize the numbers. So class, these are your factors of 28, 42 and 80. So the factor of 28 is 2 into 2 into 7. Factor of 42, 2 into 3 into 7. And factor of 80s are 1, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into. Class, these are the factors of 28, 42 and 80. Now class, for LCM, it's very important. For LCM, you should first find the common numbers. But class, there is very important point. Your common number should be at least in 2 digits. It means like this 2 is in 28 also, 42 also and 2 also. So this is common number. But class, if I am talking about this 2, there is no 2, but here we can see another 2 is here. So we can take this 2 as a common number. It's very important class. For LCM, at least your number contain in 2 digit, at least 7 is here and 7 is here. So this is also common. So class, for LCM, your number should be contain at least in 2 digits. So now class, you can find LCM. There is a rule class, common numbers multiply by non-common number. So you can find easily common numbers are 2 into 2 into 7, and now non-common numbers are 3, 2, 2 and 5. So by multiplying this you can find the answer. So your answer is 1680. So this is very important class. For LCM, you should multiply common number and non-common number. Class, your second method of finding LCM is short division method. In this method class, you all know short division method. You have to take your number in the box and start dividing the numbers. Start from the least number. So I start with 2, 36 ja 40, 2, 18 ja 20, 'Now class, in SCF you all aware about when your numbers are not divisible by any common number, then you stop here. You all know that for SCF. Understand? For SCF you stop here, but for LCM we will not stop here. We have to divide the numbers till you will get 1 in each of the numbers. 9 is not divisible by 2, so write 9 as it is, but 5 is here because 2 5 ja 10 and 2 6 ja 12. Again you can see any number divisible by 2. Yes, 6 is divisible by 2. Then write that as it is. 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. 3 ja 9. 5 is not divisible by 3, so put it as it is. And 3 1 ja 3. Again class, 3 is divisible by 3, so 3 1 ja 3. Again write 5 as it is and put 1. Now class, this 5 For this 5 we have to divide by 5. Now class, you can see 1, 1 and 1. When you are reaching in this position, when 1, 1 and 1 will come, then this is your final answer. Now class, multiply all the digits and you can get your answer. So class, this is your factor of 72, 80 and 96, and if you multiply, then you will get the answer 1440, which is your LCM. One more example of short division method class. I told you, for short division method, start with 2, 12 ja, 18 ja, 24 ja. Again class, find if any number is divisible by 2, then start with 2, 6 ja 12, 9 ja 12 ja. Again you can see 6 is divisible by 2, so 2 3 ja 6, 9 is not divisible by 2, so put 9 as it is. 12 is also divisible by 2, so 2 6 ja 12. Again class, any number divisible by 2? Yes, 6. So class, it's important, put which are the number which are not divisible by 2, put them or write them as it is. So 2 3 ja 6. Now class, in these three numbers no one can divisible by 2, so you can leave 2 now. Now going with 3. Now 3, 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Again no one can divisible by 2 now. So 3 1 1 and 1. So now 1 1 1 is here, so your LCM is 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 3 ja 48, 3 ja 144. So your LCM is 144. So class, remember the steps. Start the prime numbers with 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. Class, our new topic is relationship between SCF and LCM. Suppose class, I am talking about 24 and 30. So what is the relationship between SCF and LCM? First, we are factorize 24. So class, this is the factor of 24, this is the factor of 30, and now what is the LCM? If I am talking about LCM, then 2 and 2 is here, so 2, 3 and 3 is here also, 3 into 2 into 2 into 5, that is equal to 120 is the LCM. And if I am talking about SCF, then 2 is common here and 3 is also common here, so 6. So 120 is LCM and 6 is HCF. So class, what is the relationship between the LCM and SCF? If I am talking about 24 and 30, so 24 into 30, if we multiply the number, then what we get? 720. And if we multiply the LCM and SCF, then what we get? Class, your LCM is 120 into 6, 720. So this is a relationship between LCM and SCF, that if you multiply LCM and SCF, you will get the same answer, by which you can get by multiplying two numbers. You have a formula, product of two numbers is equal to SCF into LCM.